Oak tree-covered canopies line the drive to this beautiful home in the desirable community of Oakley, nestled behind the Ellenton Outlets and just minutes from the Manatee River. Upon stepping through the French doors, the entryway greets you with the crisp, clean design of the home. This breathtaking open floor plan leads your eye straight through the formal living room and through the wall of sliding glass doors and onto the awaiting in-ground pool with lush landscaping. The home office is perfectly placed up front with upgrades to include glass French doors, ceiling fan and plantation shutters. Next, step into the master bedroom, which showcases the view of the pool through the double sliders. This room is spacious and includes the master ensuite with an extra large shower and separate garden tub, double sinks, as well as boasting 2 large walk-in custom closets. Once leaving the master bedroom and bathroom, walk across gorgeous tile floor through your airy living room/dining room and onto the kitchen. This kitchen is loaded with features that include an extra large, removable, island, stilestone countertops, wraparound cabinets, extra large deep stone sink, stainless steel appliances, InstaHot faucet, built-in desk and modern faucet, all coming together to overlook the grand vaulted ceiling framed family room. This space easily flows into the other 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The outside invites you in through every room of the house. The extra large lanai and pool enclosure makes outdoor living a dream. Follow the pavers just beyond the pool to the fire pit for an evening in paradise. You will love the lush tropical landscaping, plus there is an avocado tree. Upgrades include the Tesla outdoor EV charging station, solar pool cover. Prepare to be amazed with the details of this pool home just minutes from the Tampa Bay ocean waters.